Yeah, this is Rob Vanderslice. Just here speaking with Travis over here with New Attraction. 20 some years later, I did this truck for the first time back in '95. It was purples and silvers and violets, and then we had redone it, and it had, last show was in 1998, and then tore it down to do what you see here, which has been in the making for 20 some years. And like Joe was saying, he's got me working on it. We've already done the bottom. It's got a radical paint job on the bottom. Got OG Abel doing the mural on the hood right now as we speak, and getting ready to start the patterns on the outside. I'm still unsure of exactly what I'm doing on it. We're going to be doing some multicolors, some ghost patterns, just a little bit of everything on this thing, and bringing back the radicals, hardcore. Yeah, all that old school stuff's coming back. And like I say, this truck has been in the making for over 20 years, and I guarantee this thing's going to be truck of the year.
Excited. We are over here at the Albuquerque Lowrider Super Show. This is 2024. So excited to see this truck come out after 26 years. This has been 26 years in the making, from start to finish, through trials and tribulations, to see this thing come out and be out here just busting out here in Albuquerque. Come and check some of it out. So many people we got to give credit to, you know, on this. Too many to name, and everybody needs to get credit where credit is due. You know, a lot of even just the design of the truck, me and Rick Flores and Joe had done in 1998. You know, trying to make it a concept car, something that was ahead of its time, and something that nobody could really tell what it was going to be, and still in the radical time. You know, you got to think when we were building this, radicals were the thing then. Everything opening up in different directions. And we wanted it to be classy, you know, a classy design, something that was different, that would withstand the test of time. And truly, I think we've done it. You know, I'm excited, like I say, you know, I did the paint on the outside, all the patterns, you know, blasted down the base and the flake on it. So many hands from Sean, so many people touched it bodywork wise. Hours and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of hours to bodywork, and really just, I mean, the craftsmanship on this, and I mean, intricate designs, last doing all the leafing too, all of those things, you know, like I say, lots of detail, crazy cutting, all the engraving, motor, finishing concepts, a lot of things, and of course, blasted the patterns underneath. As far as some of those, I did all the patterns down here on the belly. If you can see how much detail there is on the belly, it's just crazy. Hours and hours, lots of work. Come around here. And even just the front end, totally handmade front end. Looks like nothing else. Of course, OG Abel doing the mural about the same time I did the patterns on it, which would have been right when COVID hit. You know, patterned this out over a blast. You know, spent many hours to do the artwork on this pattern wise. And then OG Abel was doing the mural on it at the same time. He came out here for a short time to do that. There's really lots of detail in it. Lots of love. A lot of pride, a lot of love. I know Joe, it was a blessing yesterday to see his mom got to see it finished. Have a new business, Vanderslice Custom Paint Supply. Hit us up, we're gonna be in the bike room. Candies, base coats, several different clears, all the colored flake tape, everything you can think of to get your job painted. And definitely from a painter to painters, very affordable, top-notch products. We just thank you guys for the support.
Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
Definitely a blessing. This is Rob Vanderslice signing out. Just all honor and glory to our beautiful Lord and Savior Jesus Christ for giving us the skills and the talents to do what we do to make things look beautiful. See you guys tomorrow.